Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about something really exciting. How to use ElevenLabs voice cloning to create realistic AI voices in just a few minutes. So, if you've ever wanted to clone your own voice or create voiceovers without recording again and again, this video is for you. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the ElevenLabs website. Sign up using your email or Google account. Once you log in, you'll see a clean dashboard. Now, look for the option called VoiceLab. This is where the magic happens. Inside VoiceLab, you'll find an option called Add Voice or Voice Cloning. Click on it. Now you'll get two options: Instant Voice Cloning and Professional Voice Cloning. If you're a beginner, go with Instant Voice Cloning. It's fast and easy. Next step, upload your voice sample. Make sure your audio is clear, no background noise, at least 1 to 5 minutes long. The better your audio quality, the better your cloned voice will sound. After uploading, give your voice a name, like my voice or anything you like. Then, click Create. And boom, your AI voice is ready. Now go to the text-to-speech section. Type anything you want, maybe a script, story, or YouTube narration. Select your cloned voice, click Generate, and listen. You'll be surprised how real it sounds. You can use this for YouTube videos, storytelling, gaming commentary, even faceless channels. But remember, always use voice cloning responsibly. Don't misuse someone else's voice without permission. So yeah, that's how easy it is to use ElevenLabs voice cloning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.